Hi Virgos, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Virgos. Let us see what is coming up, guys. I'll be picking a few cards, guys, for your daily energies, and I'll be picking one card for your career situation and one card for your relationship, guys. So, this is for your career situation, Virgos, and this is for your relationship. And we'll be picking one card from the Wisdom Oracle deck. So, that card will answer any deep thoughts or questions you have in your mind regarding your career situation or your relationship, guys. So, we will open the cards now. Virgos, Ace of Swords, Nine of Pentacles, the Chariot in reverse. These are for your general energies, guys. These cards may relate to your career situation or your relationship, guys. So with these cards, guys, the energy is that Virgos, today you are seeing the clear path maybe in your work situation. So whatever is right, whatever is the right path of action, you are working in that way, guys. So all that obstacles that you're facing in your path, you are just destroying all those. That is what I see here. You have the power to overcome all those obstacles or hindrances, whatever is there in your path today, guys, and you are making those successful efforts in your work situation. So whatever efforts you are taking today, it is bringing the expected results, the expected goals, whatever you have in mind, whatever your plans are. So you are marching towards success. That is what I see here. And maybe the way you are overcoming those obstacles, maybe it may be those obstacles may be in the form of people who are trying to hinder you, or some other businesses who may be trying to compete with the work against you. So some kind of a quarrel or some kind of a stressful situation may arise because of that, because of you overriding all those obstacles, because it may hurt some people. So they may be coming towards you with argument or something to again hinder you in your successful path. But with these cards, I feel here that you are happy for your situation. You are seeing the clear truth in your situation, and you know what makes you successful, and you are doing it no matter what. So it may, these cards may relate to your career situation, guys, or your relationship. So that is what I see here. So you are making those successful efforts. It may relate to your work situation or your relationship also, guys. So let us see what is this card for your career situation, Virgos. Ace of Wands in reverse. So with this card, I see here that though you are getting that new beginnings, something new, maybe some new projects or some new financial deal or some agreements or business expansion or collaboration, whatever it is. So but it is coming after some stress. We see that with the previous card some obstacles are there. So that is the reason some things stressful but you are overcoming that, and you are taking that a new beginning because you believe in that choice. You believe that is the right way to go, and that is the path that will take you to success. So you are taking up that path. You are confident about your choices. That is also what I see here, guys. So that is the reason you are taking up that path. So come what may, you are putting in the efforts to make it work. So let us see what is the card for your relationship, Virgos. Queen of Pentacles. So with this card, I see here that in this relationship with this person, you have that caring, understanding, and this person and yourself, you both feel that warmth and coziness, comfort, security in this relationship, guys, and they are really supportive of you, supportive in your work. So whatever that your views are, they are very supportive. You share a great understanding here, guys. That is what I see here. And this person is brimming with love and compassion towards you. Respect and caring is also there in this relationship. So overall, the energy here, guys, maybe some things are stressful, things are happening in your work situation or in your relationship, but you are able to find the balance. That is what I see here, Virgos. Let us see what is the card for your oracle's guidance. So this card will relate to any deep questions you have in your mind regarding your situation, guys. Virgos, never ending story. With this card, Virgos, the energy for you all, guys, is that sometimes, maybe not sometimes, maybe even always, we have this non-stop chatter going on in our mind regarding our situation, reminding us of the past, whatever the situation was that led to certain failures. So we are constantly criticizing ourselves. So we build a story and we are afraid to go away from it. So in our relationship, we don't see the truth. We think of that story and we fear what may come out of it, out of our present situation. We have that shame, low self esteem, and fear of intimacy. So, those are the challenges we need to face, not the relationship itself. So, to have that successful relationship, you need to stop thinking of your past, whatever that happened in the past. Forgive yourself for what you have been thinking, those past memories. So you need to forgive yourself, overcome all those thoughts, and have that compassion on yourself for going on remembering that past, bringing that painful situation again and again into your mind and causing more pain. So you have to have that courage to overcome it, guys. So when you do that, you will see what is the truth and you will start healing when you enjoy the present situation, guys, in your relationship. And even in your work situation, your past failures, whatever you had, that may be the reason for your fear, greed, or some kind of envy that you feel in your work situation. You are constantly comparing with others, thinking their success should be yours. So all that good that is coming your way, you are not able to grab it, you are not able to realize that, because you are constantly thinking about your past and you are feeling very insecure. So you must love yourself for all the mistakes that you did and learn to forgive them, forgive those painful moments. So you need to stop telling again and again and again the same past. So now you should think in a positive way, that happy intentions, whatever will make you work towards success. So when you do that, you will be surely successful, guys. That is what I see here, and that is the oracle's guidance for you all, guys, Virgos. And that is the reading for today. Thank you, Virgos. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.